Hi everybody and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by DieselDucy. DieselDucy unboxing. We have two items here, a big item and a small item. This item here came from Daddy and this item here came from Rafe. The funny thing about this unboxing is I actually packaged these up because these were given to me in Texas and they couldn't come back on the plane. So we're going to start with the small box first. Hold the phone. And we're going to see what's inside the small box. The UPS store did a good job at this because everything made it here just fine. Recording. All right, we have something here. What does this look like, people? Right? It looks like a camera bag. Let's see what's in here. We have VHS-C tapes. Let's see what we have on this side. Some batteries. So that can only mean one thing. There's something electrical in here. More tapes. Now we're going to open up this compartment. We have a battery charger, an instruction manual, and that's right, we have an old VHS-C video camera. There's a funny story about this camera, y'all. I bought this camera for my dad for Christmas, probably I was working at Walmart. I think I got this for him in 2002, maybe 2001. But this was before digital cameras really became a thing, so I tested it out in Texas, and this thing works perfect. So that's the first item. Now let's go over here. This is the second item. If I can find my keys, we can unbox. This came from Rafe. This is not my first time seeing it, but this is y'all's first time seeing it. Hopefully it made it here in one piece. This was done by the UPS store. Let's see if it made it here. The box is a lot bigger than the item. I don't know, since I've lost weight, I don't know if I can lift it. Oh, I think I can. Now we'll set this down. They did an okay job packaging this for the UPS store. But here, as soon as I get this bubble wrap off, which I guess there's more, I'm going to have to roll it over. Now when we roll this over, we should see the item. Here we go. That's right. Ooh, he's got... Oh, it just got scuffed a little bit from the wood moving on it, but it is still totally fine.
The wood? Oh.
Yeah, Rafe gave me this. Operator stand behind yellow fence. Capacity 3,000 pounds. But this is the star of the show. This is, let me brush it off and it'll be perfect. Westinghouse elevator panel from the Riverwalk Marriott, and everything on it is absolutely perfect. So, Rafe, thanks for this. Daddy, thanks for the video camera, and that'll be it.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.